Another simple noise that you can combine with other noise is a line noise. It's a simple line noise. For better seeing the noise, I go into the post-product clamp. As you can see, these green dots show that you're using post-product nodes are here to your node. Change the clamp max to better seeing the heights of that. And as you can see, yeah, they are not tearing apart your train. It's line noise. As you can see, it's creating line noise with your train. Sometimes it's very useful. For example, if you want to create a noisy wave to combine to other noise, you can use it. But it's a seed. You can change the seed. The mode is random, Gaussian, or impulse, like a pulse, or uniform. We can, as you can see, simply uniform noise that are here. For better understanding that, you can go to the 2D and you can enhance it or enhance more. And as you can see, the white area are the height that you clamp it to the max here, and the black area going down, and we create this. All of the Gaea is based on height map. And of course, you can export mesh. And then you can use the post product or clamp to better seeing the heights. In these heights, we can understand anything. So this is a line noise.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.